Hello, my name is Suhaida and I run the Instagram account Suhaida where I share bits and pieces of my life and things I love. Today, I'm excited to show you a simple trick that you can use to transform broken pieces of ceramic into tasteful and functional art pieces. So these pieces come from a mug I broke a couple of days ago, and using this with some glue and a binding agent, it could just be regular talcum powder. We are going to make ourselves a tasteful candle holder or a cute little flower pot. Keep watching. So to start off, we try to figure out which piece goes where and lay them out in a way such that it is easy to piece them together like a puzzle sort of. So that's what I have here. So let's get to it. I like to work on a surface I can easily clean because I'm using glue, and sometimes it's just tricky when you're working on cloth surfaces because you could end up ruining a very good fabric. So with this ceramic plate, I could scrape things off and things like that. Let's get our glue out of the bag. Okay, so open our glue, and here is our powder. I will take the first two pieces, then attempt to put it together like this. So this is how it fits. You've got to be a little delicate when you're doing this. Maybe wear gloves. My hands are pretty and I'm a bit of a pro at this. So why not show off these cute hands with my bling while doing this job? But for you who is maybe starting out, I recommend you wear gloves because you're working with an adhesive, right? As you saw, you put the glue on the crack and then you put them together, and this is the result. Now this is very fragile, so I wouldn't want to leave it like that. And also I kind of want to show off the crack because the cracks are what makes us unique, right? And so in the same way, it's the cracks that's gonna make our cute piece unique. I'm adding more glue to the front part so it can fill into the cracks, and then I take my binding agent or my talcum powder, so just regular powder at home, and you just get some on there, run it through. So what I'm trying to have happen is to get the adhesive to catch onto the powder and bind the crack properly. So just more of this, and like this, and we have our first crack fixed. So you just go on and do the same. You pick up the next piece and so on and so forth. So there you go, guys. It's simple, it's creative, it's unique. You can try this at home. You just need super glue, the broken ceramic pieces, and you can use talcum powder or even sand. As you can see, this is an earlier project. It's from my favorite mug, and as you can see, I used glue and sand for the binding agents. You could turn it into a cute flower pot. With this, I can still use it as a candle holder whenever I take out the flower. So I leave these holes. There are some holes around. To make it into a flower pot, you simply put your plants in a polythene bag and punch holes inside the bag so the plants can breathe. Then you kind of squeeze this in here. Make sure you get the sizing perfect. There, and you have your very pretty potted plants. And there you have it. With just glue, talcum powder or sand, and your broken ceramic pieces, you can make very simple crafty projects that can give your house that taste and chic that you'd want. Also, using these ceramic pieces in making projects provides it another way of surviving in our ecosystem, instead of ending up in the beaches or in other unsafe places that becomes harmful for the environment. I hope the next time you break something at home, you think about this video and you try to make a wondrous pieces. When you do, please do share it with me. I'll be so glad to post it on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a blast making it. I hope you had a blast watching it. From Stella the mannequin and I, we say goodbye.